The end of our 2021 Miller Electric Series is here. Thank you to all the Miller team for hosting us at their facility.
What's up, my WeldTube family? Welcome back. My name is Ace Tyler, and we're here at Miller Electric. I got a bunch of the WeldTube guys with me, and today we're going to be doing a friendly competition. We got this receiver hitch cover that we're going to be welding up. See who can do it the fastest. Stay tuned.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Alright, so today's challenge is going to be welding up using this fixture. We have this receiver cover that the WeldTube family is going to weld up. Each individual is going to be against each other. Friendly competition. They're going to be using a Multimatic 220 AC/DC. We're going to be tacking with TIG and instantly switching using QuickTech to MIG and welding it on out. Alright, so we're going to be judging based on how quickly they can get this welded up, but also on their style and the overall visual look of the welds. Alright, so we got Travis up first. He's setting up the jig, getting his pieces in place. Now he's going to want to make sure that he has everything in the right spot. 3, 2, 1, weld! Now each welder is given the opportunity where they can do a test coupon beforehand to get their parameters dialed in. They can set the machine up however they like with each process, but they have to use TIG and have to use MIG.
Bunch of heavy hitters, we're going to see how it goes.
Travis is cooking. "39 seconds on the clock, and he swapped over. One minute mark. Man, Travis is flying through this. Setting the pace for everybody else. So Travis is using the Multimatic 220 AC/DC. It's a multi-process machine that he can run MIG welding. He can leave his whole setup together. He can switch instantly between MIG and TIG, which he's doing right now. Now Travis decided to use the auto set parameters for MIG. Travis has surpassed 2 minutes. And done. All right, the official time for Travis, 2 minutes and 16 seconds. How you feeling, Travis?
Pretty good.
In this competition, everybody's trying to win the coveted Multimatic 220 AC/DC Cup. All right, here's Endo's all ready. 3, 2, 1,
Let's go on
go!
and do this. We got plenty of people, so let's see what we got, right?
Endo really using the heat of the arc to get that puddle flowing so he can tack those pieces together. All right, looks like he's got it tacked. Pulling his piece out. Oh, 2 more tacks left. All right, he's switching to MIG. By the click of the trigger, you can switch over. Just under a minute. he is cruising. About 1:45 and he's about halfway. All right, it's getting close. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. And time. All right, 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Woo, that was close. That was close.
Yeah.
Travis in the lead with 2 minutes and 16 seconds. All right, next up, we've got Jacob. All right, Jacob ready for the quick draw here.
Yeah.
All right, let's count him in. 3, 2, 1, weld! First tack underway. All right, 15 seconds in, he's got a bunch of tacks done. Yep. Last couple tacks here. Getting ready to switch over to MIG. All right, and he's switching over to MIG. 55 seconds on the clock. All right, first weld done. On to number 2. All right, 4 welds done. He's about halfway. 1:54. Come on, Jacob, show him how we weld in Idaho. And clap. All right. Ooh. It is close, ladies and gentlemen. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Woo!
Yeah.
All right. Way to go.
In the lead.
You got this. All right, everybody, let's count him in. 3, 2, 1, weld! Now, Matt's chosen not to use any filler. "17 seconds on the clock. He's cruising pretty quick here. And he is out of the vise. Tell you what, these guys like moving quick. No one sat down on a stool yet. Just under a minute. It's gonna be close.
Let's do it. Canada's going down.
He is hauling. Probably ate a good breakfast this morning. Limbered up before the challenge. About a minute 45. And time. Woo! We have a new leader, everybody!
151.
Woo! Hot diggity dog.
Matt is the guy to
All right, we got Dakota up. Let's count him in. 3, 2, 1, weld! All right, first tack. How's it going? Let it right off. Checks it to make sure everything's good. About 21 seconds on the clock. Looks like he's switching out now, jumping out. Switching over to a MIG now using Quick Tech. Pull the trigger, he's there.
Tight. Way careful. That's gonna have fun.
I'll tell you what, we're gonna see. He can probably weld in the cold, but we're gonna see if he can handle this heat. And it looks like he's flying through this. Just over a minute. It is getting pretty close here. It's going to be a close race, everybody. Woo! He's coming around the corner here. He's going to be finishing up. Last weld. All right. It looks like it's gonna be 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ooh. You are cruising there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the challenge is not over yet. We're gonna assemble all the judges. We're gonna look at all the different hitch covers that we've welded up, the receiver covers that we've welded up, and we're gonna look at the style that was used and go over visual inspection of them. All right, competitors, go on the other side of the lab here. All right, judging based off of visual inspection, we were really looking for some style. We were looking for who could also switch and, you know, coordinate their welds the quickest, start welding, you know, get their tacks done quickly, get those puddles to wash out nicely. And we've decided to go with Matt. Congratulations, Matt. Matt, we're going to give you this here. Also another Miller hat. Great job.
Thank you.
Everybody, great job. That was awesome. A lot of fun.
Go Canada.
Well, So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our winner is Matt. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks for joining the WeldTube family here at Miller Electric. And like and subscribe, and have a great day.